Worried about taking your drone to the Philippines? Stay tuned, I'll answer all your questions coming up. Hi guys, Paul's Outdoor. Just wanted to bring up a quick subject. As you know, we're coming to the Philippines. Biggest thing I had and the biggest concern I had was whether I can take my drone with me. And on YouTube, on social media, there's a lot of conflicting stories. So I went straight through to the Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines. I actually got an email back, so just bear with me guys. I won't share a copy of this. Obviously it's an official document, so I won't share that online. I can read it to you. So it starts off, Dear Paul, this refers to your letter dated November 4, inquiring if I need a certificate, permit, a letter for my drone to bring in December. Relative thereto, since the use of your drone will only be for recreation, mine being a DJI Phantom 3, it weighs less than 7 kilograms. Philippine Civil Aviation regulations do not require you to register it. Guys, this is coming straight from the CAAP. So if you have any doubts, contact these guys, do the right thing, ask the questions. Don't assume or don't watch other vlogs and say, yeah, well, they said it's okay, I'm going to bring it along. No, if you're not sure, go to these guys, but they are saying here, if it weighs less than 7 kilograms, then I do not require to register it for use over there. Be aware guys, they do have restricted usage in the Philippines. Obviously within 5 k's of airports, within a certain areas where there's a lot of public assembly and things like that. So be aware of that. They do, if you're not really sure, go onto the CAAP website, so caap.gov.ph, so caap.gov.ph in the Philippines, and they'll answer any questions for you. Do the right thing guys, don't believe everything you hear, go straight to, well, I call it the butcher. So go straight to the butcher, not the block, and they'll explain it all in, set it out in layman's terms like they have in the letter they sent to me. Keep a copy of this obviously so there's no problems when you're actually coming in. As I know, a lot of the airports have been made aware of this, so you should not have a problem. Again, keep a copy of it guys. I can't stress enough, do the right thing. I wasn't really sure what was going on. Didn't want to take everyone's word for it because Chinese whispers can change along the way. Went straight to the CAAP. They've given me written confirmation that yes, I do not require a permit, I do not require a license. It is a recreational use drone. Therefore, as long as I use it within the guidelines and the regulations of how the Philippines have set it out, which obviously I will make a copy so I can do the right thing while I'm over there and have a lot of fun with it. Yeah, so do the right thing. Know that I'm only doing this video to help other people who are contemplating taking their drones to the Philippines. I know there are licenses and things coming out where you can't take a drone, as I know, more than 250 grams. I'm not real sure guys, but don't hold me to that. But I believe the new Mavic Mini is about 249 grams. So my next drone, I think, the way things are going. It is, look, the Phantom 3 is my preferred drone, and I've only used it a few times. I want to get a lot of use out of it before I actually switch up to the Mavic, which I do love, but the Phantom is quite good. Still does 2.7K and 1080. There's not a lot out there in 4K unless you've got 4K TVs, if you've got 4K everything else. 1080 and and the 2.7K is good enough. But yeah, I just thought I'd drop this video very quickly to explain what I've been told by the proper authorities in the Philippines. And if you abide by that, guys, you can't get into much trouble. Guys, if you like what you see, as per usual, like and subscribe. Support my channel. I will be touching base with you probably in the next week again, just to know how we're coming along. But thank you again for subscribing, and as per usual, live like a local. I'll see you on the other side.